food foraging, discover edible wild plants. Hey, nature lovers and survival enthusiasts, ever wondered what it takes to live off the land? Today we're diving into the wild world of food foraging, finding, identifying and cooking wild plants right from nature's pantry. Let's go! First up, dandelions. Yes, those weeds in your backyard are packed with nutrients. You can eat the leaves, flowers and roots. Here's how you identify them. Look for jagged leaves, bright yellow flowers and a milky stem sap. And guess what? They taste great in a salad. Next, meet the wild blueberry. These tiny superfoods are bursting with flavor and antioxidants. Look for shrubs with narrow leaves and small, deep blueberries, but be careful. Always avoid lookalikes like the toxic nightshade. Now let's go swamp diving. Ever heard of cattails? These marshy plants are survival gold. The young shoots taste like cucumber and the roots are a great source of starch. Peel them, slice them, boil them. It's like wild pasta. Once you've gathered your goodies, it's time to cook up something delicious. A handful of wild greens, some garlic, a splash of oil, and boom! A nutrient-packed stir-fry straight from Mother Nature. And there you have it, a wild foraged meal. Who knew living off the land could taste this good? Feeling adventurous? Don't forget about insects. Crickets are packed with protein and can be roasted with a little seasoning for a crunchy treat. Just remember, always research and identify your catch properly. So whether you're prepping for survival or just want to reconnect with nature, wild foraging is the way to go. Follow us for more tips on how to forage, cook and live sustainably. Don't just survive, thrive in the wild. Follow the page for more content.